This is my main router. And this is the TOTOLINK A1200 AC1200 dual band wireless router, which I will be setting up as an extender wirelessly. If your router has been used before, reset it first. If the router is brand new, there is no need to reset it. After resetting the router, go to your phone. My phone is already connected to my main Wi-Fi, so I am disconnecting it. Now connect your second router device. After connecting to the second router's Wi-Fi, go to the internet browser. Search for TOTOLINK.net. Enter admin as the login password. Tap on System Mode. Select Repeater or Extender. Tap Confirm. From here, now select your main Wi-Fi device. Enter your main Wi-Fi password. Tap Next. If you tap on Next, your second router's Wi-Fi name and password will be the same as your main router. You can also change the Wi-Fi name and password of your second router if you want. Tap Next. Tap Done. Now it will take a minute for the setup to complete. The TOTOLINK router is now set up as a wireless extender. Now reconnect your second router device with the new Wi-Fi password you created. The TOTOLINK router is now working as an extender. The TOTOLINK router is now working as an extender.